Let me ask you something. What if I told you that in just 21 days, you could completely change the way you think, act, and feel? No magic, no gimmicks, just a simple, proven system to help you become the best version of yourself. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to transform your life in just 3 weeks. The first week is all about awareness. Most people live on autopilot, repeating the same habits every single day without even realizing it. That's why the first step in this challenge is simple, but powerful. Track your habits. For 1 week, write down everything you do, from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed. Notice where your time goes. Are you spending hours on social media? Do you wake up late and rush through your morning? Be brutally honest with yourself, because you can't change what you don't acknowledge. At the same time, start your mornings with one powerful habit: gratitude. The way you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. So every morning, take 5 minutes to list 3 things you're grateful for. It rewires your brain to focus on the positives instead of problems. Now that you're aware of your habits, it's time to introduce small but meaningful changes. The second week is all about discipline and consistency. Pick one habit that you know will improve your life. Just one. Maybe it's waking up an hour earlier, reading for 20 minutes a day, or drinking more water. Whatever it is, commit to it every single day for the next 7 days. No excuses. Here's a trick to make it easier: habit stacking. Attach your new habit to something you already do. For example, if you want to start journaling, do it right after brushing your teeth. If you want to meditate, do it after your morning coffee. The easier you make it, the more likely you are to stick with it. And remember, progress beats perfection. If you miss a day, don't quit. Just get back on track the next day. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's to be consistent. By now, you've started to see small wins, and that's where the real magic happens. The last week of the challenge is about pushing beyond your comfort zone. This is the week where you do something that scares you. Maybe it's starting that YouTube channel you've been thinking about, having a tough conversation you've been avoiding, or waking up at 5 a.m. just to prove to yourself that you can. Growth happens when you challenge yourself. If it feels uncomfortable, you're doing it right. So, here's the deal. 21 days from now, you will either be closer to the person you want to become, or you'll be in the exact same place, wishing you had started today. The choice is yours.